Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Top 10 remedies to battle cough in kids at night. Young children are vulnerable to infectious diseases like coughing, fever, and runny noses. It can be troublesome, especially at night, when it hampers their sleep. We have rounded up on some effective home remedies to treat your tots. Home remedies for nighttime cough in children. 1. Eucalyptus oil. A few drops on the pillow and bedding at night can provide instant relief. Do not massage it onto your child's throat. 2. Warm soup. Warm veggie or chicken soup is a healthy remedy for a sore throat or cough. 3. Throat lozenges. Zinc lozenges once every 2 to 3 hours reduce throat irritation and coughing. 4. Turmeric milk. Turmeric's antibacterial properties help alleviate a cough. Mix in half a teaspoon with warm milk. Start with a few spoons and gradually increase the quantity. 5. Turmeric and honey. This mixture relieves dry cough at night due to its soothing antibacterial qualities. Honey should only be given to kids over a year old. 6. Ginger and honey. The juice of ginger mixed in with honey is an effective cough remedy, owing to the antihistamine properties of ginger. 7. Elevated head. Mucus tends to dribble down the throat from the back of the nose at night, increasing coughing. Elevate their heads to reduce this. 8. Massages. Warm mustard oil mixed with crushed garlic helps ward off infections due to its antimicrobial properties. Heat the mixture and cool it down before gently massaging. Massage on the throat, back, chest, palms of hands and below the feet, ensuring you're not applying excessive pressure. 9. Tulsi and honey. Tulsi has expectorant properties that thin mucus. This cures chest congestion and boosts immunity. Honey's antiviral quality prevents infection. Mix honey with tulsi's juice and feed your child to prevent coughing. 10. Inhale smoke of turmeric root. Also known as tumpan in Ayurveda, add turmeric leaves to burning charcoal, topped by turmeric. Inhale the released smoke to relieve coughing. This practice is said to effectively cure coughs. Ensure that your child does not inhale too much smoke and should be kept safe from the charcoal. These home remedies can help reduce nighttime coughing in your children. However, consult your doctor if the cough persists.